Cleaning your dryer is super important, everyone. It's not just about keeping things tidy, it's about keeping your family safe. A dirty dryer can actually cause a fire, and we definitely don't want that. Lint and other debris build up inside your dryer over time. This buildup can block airflow and create heat. Too much heat is dangerous and can lead to a fire starting inside your dryer. Think of it like this: a clean dryer is a happy dryer. And a happy dryer means peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Before we start, please take a second to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new episodes. Let's get started on making sure your dryer is squeaky clean and safe. First things first, let's give that dryer drum some love. It's an essential part of your laundry routine, and keeping it clean ensures your clothes come out fresh every time. Even if it looks clean, there could be hidden residue from dryer sheets and detergent. These residues can build up over time, affecting the efficiency of your dryer and even leaving marks on your clothes. Step 1 is to unplug your dryer. Safety first, always. This simple step can prevent electrical accidents while you're cleaning. We don't want any accidents happening. Remember, safety is paramount when dealing with electrical appliances. Next, grab a microfiber cloth and a mixture of warm water and mild dish soap. This combination is gentle yet effective for cleaning. You can also use a gentle all-purpose cleaner. These cleaners are designed to tackle grime without being too harsh. Avoid harsh chemicals. They can damage the drum's finish. Harsh chemicals can corrode the metal and reduce the lifespan of your dryer. Dip your cloth into the soapy water, wring it out well, and wipe down the entire inside of the drum. Make sure the cloth is damp, not soaking wet. Get into all the nooks and crannies. These hidden spots can harbor lint and residue that might affect your dryer's performance. You might be surprised what you find lurking in there. Lint, small items, and even coins can get stuck in the drum. Rinse your cloth with clean water and wipe the drum again to remove any soapy residue. This step ensures no soap is left behind to attract more dirt. Dry it thoroughly with a clean towel, and you're good to go. A dry drum prevents mold and mildew from forming, keeping your dryer in top condition. The lint trap is your dryer's best friend. Well, besides you, of course. It's a small but mighty component that plays a crucial role in keeping your dryer running efficiently. It catches all that pesky lint and prevents it from becoming a fire hazard. Without it, lint could build up and create serious problems. But like any best friend, it needs regular attention. Neglecting it can lead to reduced dryer performance and even potential safety risks. Every time you use your dryer, make sure you clean the lint trap. It's a simple task that takes just a few seconds, but makes a big difference. Just pull it out and use your fingers to remove the lint. Easy peasy, but don't stop there. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your dryer in top shape. Once a month, give your lint trap a deeper clean. This helps to remove any lint that might have gotten stuck in the tiny holes. Fill your sink with warm, soapy water and let the lint trap soak for about 10 minutes. This will help loosen any stubborn lint or residue. It's a small effort that can extend the life of your dryer. After its bath, use an old toothbrush or a scrub brush to gently scrub the lint trap. This ensures that all the tiny particles are removed. Rinse it well with warm water and make sure it's completely dry before putting it back in the dryer. A clean lint trap means a happy dryer and a safer home. Next up, vent cleaning, a crucial step. Now for the big one, the vent. This is where most of the lint and debris accumulate over time. Cleaning the dryer vent is probably the most important step in preventing dryer fires. Lint buildup can restrict airflow, causing the dryer to overheat. A clogged vent is a major fire hazard, so we need to make sure it's clear and free of obstructions. This not only ensures safety, but also improves the efficiency of your dryer. You should aim to clean your dryer vent at least once a year. Mark it on your calendar as a reminder. If you use your dryer frequently or have pets, you might want to do it more often. Pet hair can easily get trapped in the vent, adding to the lint buildup. First, unplug your dryer and move it away from the wall. This is a crucial step to ensure your safety while cleaning. This will give you access to the vent. Make sure you have enough space to work comfortably. The vent is usually a large, flexible tube made of aluminum or plastic. These materials are designed to withstand the heat generated by the dryer. You can use a special vent cleaning kit or a long-handled brush to clean the vent. These tools are specifically designed to reach deep into the vent and remove lint. Feed the brush into the vent and move it back and forth to dislodge any lint or debris. Be thorough to ensure you get as much out as possible. You'll be amazed and maybe a little grossed out by how much stuff comes out. This is all material that could potentially cause a fire if left unchecked. Once you've cleaned the vent, reconnect it to the dryer and push the dryer back into place. Make sure the connections are secure to prevent any leaks. Now your dryer vent is clean and safe. You can rest easy knowing you've taken an important step in maintaining your home. Congratulations, everyone! You've successfully cleaned your dryer and made it a much safer appliance. Now let's keep it that way. Remember to clean the lint trap after every single use. It only takes a few seconds, and it makes a world of difference. Give the drum a quick wipe down every month or so to remove any residue. And don't forget about the vent. Put a reminder on your calendar to clean it at least once a year. By following these simple tips, you can keep your dryer running smoothly and safely for years to come. Thanks for spending time with us today, and we'll see you in the next video.